You'll pay it, right?
You're gonna pay for the ticket for both of us?
Yeah, we'll do it.
All three of us? All right, cool.
What? You're having a kid.
We'll be good.
You shouldn't agree so easily.
Say no.
You're gonna have a little one.
You're adults. You could have chose whether you want to sit back here or not.
Good.
And
Say hi.
Scene.
Hi.
Ooh,
What are you listening to? AC/DC?
Back in black, dude.
Nice. It's kind of. Is that in your headphones?
It's because it's back speaker. Oh, they are hooked up. Nice. Just watch out for the glass on your arm.
All right, you're all clear back here. Promise.
Oh no. I gotta hang on. Oh,
No,
shit.
geez, no.
I almost lost my keys.
Yeah, we're good.
I think so. We should rig up some seat belts. Ah!
Woo!
Well, this is a first.
I've never ridden backwards in the back of an Escort before.
Oh shit.
How about you?
Dude, if you fell out right now, you would get messed up.
Yeah. Yeah, that'd be pretty bad.
Good thing we're both wearing shorts.
Good thing we brought all our protective gear.
Ah, he's not holding back.
Adults, don't try this at home.
What's heavier, us or the tires? What's heavier, us or the tires? This guy's gonna be like, what the fuck are those people?
Is that, technically, since they're the only available seats, that's like a law or something?
In Washington, yeah, you can.
Oh my gosh.
So, good thing we're still in Washington. If he was really mad at us right now, he could really mess us up.
Yeah, seriously. Oh, maybe he is.
We can do rodeos in this later. Just hang on in the back. Just like do donuts and stuff.
Like, this, if you want to really test yourself, come out here on the. Oh, there it is. Yeah, it looks awesome.
Nice, dude. That looks cool. Going to Ashtown Brewing.
This is the way.
I almost dropped my GoPro.
Oh, we have pools, tubes, towables, and more. Okay, shop Bob's. Shop Bob's.
We're here. We're there.
Made it.
Nice.